So today we go to my sister-in-law's nail salon, and she just bought a newer spa chair. So she needs help in hooking up the water pump and the drain. We're on our way right now, so let's go. And just a reminder, if you guys like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Alright, this is the new spa chair. We're going to hook up the pump for its water and drain. Alright, the back of the chair, underneath is the blue box, which is the pump, and it's a pipe for the water drain, which we will connect to this 2-inch drain pipe. And we got our 2 hoses for the hot and cold coming in. And those 2 hoses will be connected here to the cold and hot. And I picked up this 1/4-inch adapter from Home Depot, which has a 1/2-inch inside diameter on the male side of the adapter, which will be going to the pump under the spa chair, right about here.
Okay, I got this old one from downstairs.
Yes, this is an old one where my wife used to have her nail salon. This pipe actually has the correct fitting to match the one I just bought at Home Depot. It's just a little long, so I'm going to trim it down to about 6 inches. I picked up this hose also at Home Depot. It's got a 1/2-inch inside diameter. Thank goodness I've got a collection of clamp hoses that'll fit that hose perfectly. Now just insert the hose into the male part of the adapter. Easier to twist it in other than pushing it in. Now just insert your hose clamp and tighten it up. Thought the screwdriver was a little slow, so let's use the drill. Drill was faster to get it started, but ended up using the screwdriver to tighten it up 100%. Our pipe was a little long, so we're going to shorten it up to about 6 inches. Now we'll just insert it into our 2-inch rubber connector. Then tighten up the hose clamp. Had to trim the hose again, another 2 inches. Don't forget our hose clamp and insert the hose into the male part of the adapter.
You can push a chair in.
And just tighten up the hose clamp. Back to my screwdriver again.
Okay, this is the hot water, and this is our hot water here. So I'm going to remove this so I can connect this into here. That's it. So I'm going to remove this right now.
So we'll just remove this extra hose, but we're going to keep the double male adapter that's attached to it. These are the double male adapters we use to connect the hoses together. And we'll use a Teflon tape on the double male adapter to make sure there's no leaks. Sorry about the camera, looks like Nancy's having some focus problems.
Teflon.
There we go, nice and tight.
Number 2, this is the cold water.
Okay, both hoses, hot and cold, are done. Okay, let's turn on the water to see if there's any leaks. Looks good, no leaks between our two hoses.
Water in here.
Now let's take a look at our pump.
Nice.
And it looks like the pump looks good, no leaks.
Good.
The water coming out?
Yep.
And Natalie was happy. Looks like I'm gonna get some extra egg rolls for my birthday.
So I'm glad you guys joined us in today's DIY project. If you guys liked my video and found it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next episode.